I am Joanne Crone. I run a company called No Guilt Mom, but today I'm going to teach you how to talk with someone to get what you want. So you can call me Joanne. And when I was younger, I thought that I would have to give like the most convincing argument to get someone to do something that I also wanted to do. Do you ever get in those situations where you're trying to convince a friend to play a game with you? Maybe you're in a group project at school and you're trying to get the group to do it the way that you think would be best, and yet you're having all this trouble. So a helpful thing, and what I'm going to teach you today, is that getting what you want is like a game. GAME stands for give your plan, ask for help, make an offer, and edit your offer. So let's get into it. But first I want to show you how asking for what you want isn't done.
Hey, when are you going to be done with the TV? Like, you've been on it all day.
No, I'm playing a game right now. No, don't bother me.
Yeah, but I haven't got a chance to watch my shows.
No, I said I don't want to do it.
I never get a chance to watch my shows. And last time I gave you the TV when you wanted it.
Stop.
This is so unfair.
So let's go into this strategy. The first one, give your plan. You need to tell somebody clearly what it is you want to do. So for example, if you want to play a specific game, hey, I think we should play Mario Kart. Or if you're baking with a friend and you want to bake a specific recipe, hey, I think we should make chocolate chip cookies. Giving your plan is very easy and it's straightforward. Just remember to be clear. The second step is ask for help. Now, obviously, you don't want to do this alone. You want your friend or you want your sibling to do it with you. So you're going to ask them for help. Now, this is different than begging for help or pleading for help, or like you saw in the example of doing it wrong, being like, what? I always do stuff for you. Asking for help is simple and it's clear. So here's what asking for help sounds like. I really want to play this game. I know we're playing Smash Brothers right now. Can we change? Do you see? Just a little question. Hey, I really want to make these chocolate chip cookies, but I know like we're just playing around here on our phones right now. You want to go make chocolate chip cookies with me? Asking for help doesn't mean the person has to actually help you, but it means that you want them to do it with you. The third part is make an offer. Making an offer is really figuring out what the other person needs, what the other person wants, what is stopping that other person from doing what you want to do. So in the chocolate chip cookie example, perhaps you're talking with your friend and they don't really think chocolate chip cookies are very exciting. They don't. They're not excited by it, but you know that they really like peanut butter cookies. You could then make your offer and be like, hey, like, I know you really don't like chocolate chip cookies. What if we like make some peanut butter cookies and chocolate chip cookies? So you get cookies that you like and cookies that I like too. Or in the video game example, when you make your offer, maybe your friend doesn't want to play Mario Kart and they're perfectly happy playing Smash Brothers. You can say, hey, like, we've been playing Smash Brothers for a bit. What if like we play it for 10 minutes more and then we switch to Mario Kart? So that's making your friend happy, and that is getting something that you want too when you make your offer. The fourth part, edit your offer. Your first offer may not really be exciting to your friend. They may not say yes. So that's when you start to change things based on what they want. Say, for example, you make your offer to your friend about the chocolate chip cookies and your friend's like, I'm not really into peanut butter today. Like I had some peanut butter cookies last week and I'm not really feeling it. This is when you start asking questions. You could say, well, what kind of cookie do you want to make? Or what do you want to do instead? Or do you even want to make cookies today? Like, what else should we do? Anything. Ask the questions. Try to figure out exactly what they want so that you can make another offer that takes what they want and what you want as well. Same with your friend in the video games. If they're perfectly happy playing Smash Brothers, but you are not happy playing Smash Brothers, you could actually tell them your feelings. You could say, hey, I'm kind of bored of this game. What other game can we play if you don't want to play Mario Kart? And once they start talking to you, you can change your offer, make it again. So do you see how with game, it kind of goes in a circle? You're giving an offer, you're asking for that help from your friend, you're making an offer, and then you're editing it so that it's a back and forth so you guys can decide exactly what works for you. Now, I want to show you some examples of how this might look. Here's the first example. You want to watch YouTube, but your sibling is already on the TV.
Hey, you've been watching TV for a while, and I was hoping that I could watch my show. Yeah, but I'm watching this right now. Do you think that you can get off the TV soon and I could watch what I want to watch? What do you think about me sitting here and watching like the rest of your show? Like, how long is it? It's like 10, 15 minutes. Yeah, I could watch the rest of the 10 minutes and then we could watch my show. Yeah, but I plan to watch another video right after this one. Like, I was really looking forward to it. Okay, I totally get that you were planning to watch another one after this. That one we could watch too, but then can we watch my show? Yeah, I guess that'd be fine.
Here's the second example. You are working on a group project for school and your group cannot decide what book to pick.
Okay, so we have two choices here. We have The Tale of Despero and we have The Forgotten Five. Now, I personally want to go with The Forgotten Five. What do you guys think? I just don't want it to be boring. I don't like reading boring things. I hear you say that you don't like long books. I totally get it, but this one is so much more like cliffhangery and exciting, and Tale of Despero is just about a mouse. But I really like Despero. I like the movie. The book should be good too. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say it was just about a mouse. Like, I bet it's good. It's just that this one is like so exciting and so different from everything else that we've read. And you said you want to try like different things, right? And you said you really like mysteries and scary stories. Sounds good. I mean, I would rather read Despero, but I can do it, I guess. Okay, so what about this? What if we choose this one for this book project and then Tale of Despero for the next one? That's fine with me.
So do you see how this works? Now here is your mission. Practice asking for something. Choose someone that you feel comfortable with. Okay, you got it? I want to hear what you do with game and especially how it works for you.